Welcome back for episode 5 of our Nissan 350Z project. I'm Bob, this is DJ. We've completed the mechanical work and even started the Z back up for the first time. We don't have too many boxes left to open up. So far, we've installed a cold air intake, plenum spacer, fully adjustable suspension, new brakes, rotors, wheels, a brand new exhaust, and chassis bracing. Now we get to do a little aero/cosmetic work.
Today we're going to be installing a front splitter, side splitters, and some new hood vents.
Plenty to do, so let's get to work. The hood vents have a dual purpose. They look cool while also providing some additional cooling when we're pushing the car to its limits.
The tools we use for the hood vents are a rotary tool, a cutting wheel, a rivet gun, a drill, and a 1/8 drill bit. The painter's tape we were using to hold the stencils in place didn't stick well to the hood, so thankfully we were being filmed and used some production gaffer's tape, which held up a lot better. That stuff will stick to anything. We didn't take off the hood because it wasn't necessary and it saves time. You just have to know where you're cutting, which makes the prep work a lot more important.
The front splitter literally does what it's called, splitting the air coming at the front of the car. This is a chassis-mounted splitter, not just one of those eBay bolt-on type deals. This will give the car a bit more downforce to help with handling at higher speeds.
The tools we use for the front splitter are 14mm wrench, 14mm socket, 10mm socket, 10mm wrench, and a 4mm Allen wrench.
We were able to reuse the bolt hole for the windshield washer reservoir for one of the support braces for the front splitter. This is common when you're putting on aftermarket parts. It's better to use an existing hole if you can versus drilling a new one. We test fit the bumper today to make sure it fit with our new front splitter. It was real close right away, so we were able to install the splitter and keep the bumper side until we install our new headlights. That should be the last step for this front end we've totally revamped.
Unlike the front splitter, the side splitters we chose are more for looks to make the car appear a bit wider. As we said in the beginning of this series, the car is not a full-blown race build. It is a combo between some fun basic track mods and just making the car look cool. We felt the side splitters give it a bit more of an aggressive look, so that's why we chose these.
The side splitters are more of a cosmetic modification because we thought they looked cool and went with the front. The front splitter actually has a purpose, which is creating downforce to keep the car more planted.
The front splitter is solid and is likely to withstand pretty much anything. The side splitters should be fine because of how secure they are, but if you're handicapping which one is more durable, it would be the front.
The car's a bit dusty from all the work we've done today. I can't wait to see it all cleaned up in the next episode. That's it for today. We're getting real close to wrapping up this project. Next episode, we're going to be installing a new radio. Then we're going to detail the car by cleaning, polishing, and adding some vinyl wrap.
For more on this car build or the latest on what's happening with STA-BIL and 303, make sure to follow both on Instagram and Facebook and hit the subscribe buttons at the end of the video.
Be sure to tune in for episode 6 to see some of the final pieces come together for the build. Thanks for watching.